Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Yeah, boy. Woo. I look like I got a 10, boy. Woo. I look a little bit saturated. What's going on, gang, 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 gang? My God. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out and enjoying the update video on the basement. We've been crushing it. The basement is done. The vlog is done. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Mrs. Otter put it together for you guys, showing you guys where it started, kind of where it ended up, and now, you know, now we're moved in. I'm in the basement. I'm in the office. I got the whole new setup, ready to go, kicking ass, taking names, getting back into the charts, all these good things. First and foremost, we got to thank Alexandra G for the 555 gifted memberships. Thank you so much, Alexandra G. Much love to you, and thank you for supporting the channel. Also, Luke Zaldana, what's going on, my man? Getting another membership. Thank you, Luke, for being part of the gang. I appreciate you, appreciate you, appreciate you. What's going on, guys? How we all doing? Crazy, crazy day in the trading world, all right? We got Jerome Powell today. We had PPI today. And, you know, when we get things like this, it tends to be a good opportunity to sit out. Man, I don't want to sit out, Alex. So crypto, man, I ain't got patience for that. I'm in crypto to make money. I'm in crypto to crush it. I ain't got time to wait. We got money to make. Well, today would have been a good day to sit out. I took like a little scalp trade, and then I was like, I ain't even going to pay to play today kind of deal. But there's this meme stock rally. And this is us trying to focus while the meme stock rally. And we're trying to do some long-term investing. And all of a sudden, Mr. Pepe and Mr. GME and Meme AMC in the place to be. You know? I'm trying to focus here. All right? We're trying to focus here. And we got Nancy out here. Nancy's just like, who's this roaring kitty guy? Who's this roaring kitty guy? Like, what's going on? Right? What's going on with all this? And then we got this amazing, amazing community. So let's say hello to you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for being here. All you people over here. Look at all these legends, man. Look at all you guys. We got TRD Farmer. What's going on, bro? Hope you're having a wonderful day. C90 FTW. Does that mean free the world? What's going on? What's going on? Good to see you guys. Thank you guys all for coming here, hanging out with me. You could be anywhere, but you're with me today. We got V Monitor, Billy Goat Tails. What's going on? TRD Farmer Awareness. What's going on with the muscles? I only got my muscles out today. It's a little bit chilly today. What's going on? Seymour Liddy. What's going on? Good to see you, Welsh Jesse. Huddle Crypto. Mac Mascot. Smash that like button, says Alexandra G. Respect her authority. I'm trying to wow, that makes me look really orange. I look like Bitcoin orange right now. That's a bit better. That's a bit better. I got to fix the lighting. What's going on, Scott? Good to see you here. Mac Mascot, good to see you as well. Luke Zaldana, man. I guess my membership ran out. Thank you for renewing that. It helps support the channel, and I appreciate you, man. What's going on, Candle Daddy? Beep-boop. Beep-boop. Rokinos, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Zep. Curtis Neal, as per usual. Nick Musgrave in the chat. Jeanette, off near crypto. Good afternoon to you, my friend. Oh, man. So many nice people here. Jeanette, Scott. New World Crypto, NW Crypto. Hey, Alex, can you look at Rune and Sui? Yeah, why don't we start that list for altcoins? Okay, why don't we start that list for altcoins? If you wouldn't mind tallying up those altcoins, that would be great. Let's give Nick a day off. B Team Crypto has a new baby, so maybe he can do double dad duty if he's available. What's going on, Biomex? Good to see you. Anyone going to Las Vegas this weekend? I heard there's a party going on in Vegas. Not me. Not me. I might be going to Nashville, but we're not sure yet, depending on Amy with baby. We got Ethereum, Arbitrum. I live in Vegas. His name is Vegas Miner. Good to see you guys. I wish only an 8-hour drive. Solana. Let's do this. Count my damn self. I'm going to give B Team Crypto the night off. I'm going to also give... so we got Link. We got Solana. We got Arrow. We got... Ooh, you guys are crazy, man. You guys want to do all these coins, eh? Arbitrum. Should I go back to being Trump orange? Should I be orange? I can be orange, man, for the... Oh, man. The Trump filter. I got the Trump... I look like the Simpsons. Oh man. What else do we got here? Neo. Come on. Are we talking the Matrix or are we talking crypto, guys? Safe. I don't know. I don't know what Mark wants us to do. But we'll take a look at that. Look at Nick Musgrave beat me to the punch, okay? We're just going to pin Nick. I trust Nick over myself, okay? Thank you, Nick. I appreciate you, bro. Now, if you guys did miss it, we did do our beautiful, beautiful update on the basement. If you missed it, go check it out on the channel. Pretty awesome. I think so, anyways. Let's get rid of this Bitcoin orange. I feel like I'm in a tanning salon. Not that I've been to a tanning salon, but, you know, there we go. So, who, besides Mark Dutch, who owns the most crypto, okay? Did you know Tesla's up there still? That's pretty cool. Germany, UK, China, and then there's MicroStrategy. I don't think this is going to last long for MicroStrategy. On the books, baby, on the books. It's always interesting to see who owns this ish kind of deal. You know what I mean? Who owns this? I gotta close the chat over here so I can see it on the left-hand side over here. So what are we looking for today? Do the Oompa Loompa, says Paper Beats Rock. Yeah, that's the one, man. Oh, man. Okay, so Bitcoin about to hit a lick. Awareness says. What's going on, BioMex? Let's get some shills out of the way. If you're new here, we do have a sponsor, 2 of them. BloFin is our trusted exchange. And then we have Market Cipher, which is the king of all indicators as per usual, okay? You can support the channel by using the links down below. And we have the best, if not the best, trading commissions on BloFin compared to everyone else, okay? So this is the goods, okay? Now, besides our shill for the exchanges, we have friends, okay? And we like our friends, okay? And our friends are good people. And we do our due diligence when making friends, but I've been friends with Billy since day one, since I really started my journey. He was supporting me when I had 0 subscribers, okay? Let's put it that way. So I will always shill out. And it's not even a shill. This is something that helps you invest in yourself. This is the giver's gain mentality, okay? I give to you guys, you give to me. We all give. We're a happy family, yada, yada, yada. But nonetheless, this is where it's at, man. Billy Goat Tales tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? This is family. These are friends. A great, great session will be on tonight, okay? I just saw BioMex share out Amy Lives Crypto as well on their Discord as well. So you can see it's a communal kind of thing where we help each other, right? It's not always easy getting up and jumping on and talking to this box on the wall and being like, hey guys, let's look at this, right? Sometimes you just want to hide and press buy and sell and not have to jump on the charts, okay? However, we come and we show up for you guys. You need the car keys? You got to come say hi then. You can't interrupt the live stream without saying hi. They already saw you. Ah. You want the keys to my heart? She's got the keys to the heart. I think she might be moving the car back. That's me lady. Amy with baby. Yeah, she's a sweetheart. So what went on today, guys? What is was that the fake out? They said I just faked you out with the kiss. So you have to come give me a real one. There, now we dollar cost averaged into those lips. Oh, man. Bullish on Amy. We got a rejection off the golden pocket. We are coming up to their Fibonacci swing high. And she's back, okay? So this is what happened today, guys, okay? I took a trade. That was the stupidest little trade. I swear to you, all I did was I took a long from here to here, okay? I even got out early. I was like, I ain't playing today, man. This is stupid. This was a stupid-ass day, in my opinion. If you traded this, congratulations. I think the only real kind of possible trade was maybe here. Maybe this. Like if you were looking at like golden pocket. Yeah, golden pocket rejection down, maybe. You know, to me, this was a clear as day, no trade day. Okay, no trade day. Like, look, this looks, when it looks like this, it's like, don't mess around. But it does, when we chop sideways for a day, okay, it does give us an opportunity to relook at levels, because in comparison to this, we can see that a lot of things throughout the market, especially like render's gotten a big correction, okay? The meme coins, big moves, little moves, okay? Even this this GameStop has crumbled a bit, right? This is just absolute bonkers. So it does give us another day, right? And it does give us another print, and it does give us another sign on our market cipher. So we can do top-down analysis definitely on all of that and get you guys up to date with where we're at. But go check out Billy Goat Tales tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for some great alpha as well. Okay, so going back to here, we will get into your altcoins as well, but I'm just going to do a quick rundown today. Not going to rush into anything. And really, what are we looking for, right? What are we looking for? And what are we looking to... What's going on here? Oh, is TradingView acting up right now? Come on. It did this before. This screen is frozen. Let's go over to the next one. Is this one going to work? It's working. Oh, why isn't this loading? Hello? Okay. Let me try this one. Maybe it's because I have multiple screens opened up. Ah, we're loading now. Okay, good. Good. I think I had too many of them open. Oh, wait. It doesn't like the 3-day. It just doesn't like the 3-day. Is that really it? Is it just not like the 3-day? It doesn't like the 3-day. Look, it won't load the 3-day Bitcoin chart. There is a secret on the 3-day Bitcoin chart. It just won't load it. It'll load the daily, though. That's weird. That's weird. I do not know what that's from, but it won't load the 3-day chart. Thanks, TradingView. You're doing a great job, okay? You're doing a great job. Good to see you. Darren does things. Much love to you, brother. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Dave Digital creators, did you know Billy Goat Tales Collab Hub is now open in the Billy Goat Tales Discord? Creators helping creators. Collabs and thumbnails are just the tip. Just the tip. Join today for $0. Giver's gain. Let's go. So we have the inverse head and shoulders. It's there, guys. It's there. Okay, very much. We are aware. I'm going for a haircut tomorrow. Okay, don't look at the grays. You see this? This is called trading right here. This is the trading line. Okay, if there's a trend line, it's right here, and it's called trading. Okay, 34 years old, going gray already. Okay, I still got the head of hair though. Okay, so. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So we got a couple of trend lines where we are looking to break out. Guys, we are right there. We are on the precipice of a move, okay? A move. And to me, the move is down. I'm sorry. The move is down. What do I mean by that? Well, when I'm looking at this price action, to me, it's a clear rejection off of today, okay? Jerome Powell spoke, you know. And really, I was looking at this earlier, and I was comparing this move up, okay? And this kind of consolidation before. Now, I wanted to go over this because I saw this. Credit goes to Magic Internet Money, okay? Because I was watching Sin City Crypto today, and if you don't watch Sin City Crypto, you should definitely look at that, because Magic Internet Money goes on there, and he does a hell of a job, okay? A hell of a job. Now, remember, I was comparing this, okay, to this here, okay? Now, my timing, I believe, is a bit off. Now, I saw Magic Internet Money comparing this to this. Now we're talking, okay? Now, why is this significant, right? Why is this significant, right? Like, I like this. I like the move up, right? I like the move up. I like the consolidation downwards. I like the push up. It looks very similar. But why, can anybody answer me? Why is this similar to this, right? And to me, what stood out with his explanation is the fact that not only did we, we put in this high here, and then we dumped down, and then we really consolidated sideways. We didn't really make much highs after that. But what's interesting is the timing. Okay, so this happened. Sell in May and go away. Okay, this is sell in May, go away time. Okay, and dang, doesn't this look like what we're in right now, where we are getting absolutely bored and fed up and grumpy, and where's this bull run that we want, and blah blah blah. So for me, the timing of this area is crucial. Okay, and I really respect Magic Internet Money and what he's about, and I respect his TA a lot. So this is something that is interesting to me, because you can see how we just trickled down into kind of retesting these lows yet again. So if we go over to where we're at now, that would mean maybe a little bit of a trickle down, testing these lows again before that move that we all want to see. But in my opinion, there's got to be some pain. Okay, there's got to be some pain, and that's something that I'm trying to anticipate. Prepare for the worst scenario, right? Prepare for the worst. If we get that rush up now, like, that's great. That's great. But if we don't, then we're prepared for it, right? And we can look to get into these prices. There's people calling for 52,000. I know Army Piper is one of them, and I respect his TA as well. Do I think we're getting to 52K? Not really. Not really. I would say 50, 55, 56. A swing failure of these lows, maybe. But for me, the most pain is sideways. Ugh. Right? Sideways and painful and gross, right? But that's okay. Up or down, we will make money. We just got to be very cautious when it comes to the choppiness of the market. Like today. Today was insanely choppy. Okay? How can you compare price action comes from above, previous was from below? So when that was in bull market run, right? So this was bull market territory, right? You can see that you are bear flagging here. So you are right, Mark, where you are coming down and bear flagging. But nonetheless, a bear flag should be pointed up and to the right. We are still in that parabolic run, right? The sell-off, the actual top was up here, right? So if you're bear flagging, it would look like this, right? It would look like this one here, where you're coming up and to the right. This one was down and to the right. So it suggested continuation here, and the timing was much more around where we are right now, which is end of May to June, right? That sell in May and go away, which happened here, but nonetheless, it dragged out and then it popped off, right? So for me, that's something I'm definitely looking for here. And then if we take the bars pattern here and we take all of this, and we could expect this, right? That would be more ideal after that sideways, painful boringness, something like that. Maybe it's a little bit sharper, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, something like that, and that continuation afterwards, getting everybody into that pain. Okay? So, what are we looking for now, right? So looking at the daily, we're getting the green dot printing, but the red money flow is definitely no otter walked away. Let's go. Impulse wave 5 would be cool, but need the quality below preferably. Yes. Mark Dutch, much love to you. You're on it, man. You're on it, man. I appreciate you, man. 70K drop to 53K and back up would be yummy. Oh, I mean, let me know in the chat, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you got some dry powder waiting for a dump. I want to know. Let's take a poll, okay? Let's take a poll and see Dry powder. Dry powder, not that white powder. Yeah or nah or barely, okay? Let's start that poll. Because I really want to know where you guys are at. Because for me, I'm like 90% allocated, okay? You never want to be all in, right? You never want to be, because then what I've realized is when you're all in, you put all your eggs in the basket. Not about diversification, but when you're all in general, you feel the emotions a little bit stronger because you don't have anything to play with. You don't have that play if it does crash, right? You don't have that averaging out of maybe you bought high. Like I bought Injective at 2027. If it crashes, I'm going to grab some. You know what I mean? And I can lower that average. I bought Bitcoin at 22,000. So I'm pretty good there. Like I've gotten some late entries, but you know what I mean? Like having some of it out allows me to feel a little bit better. Okay? To feel a little bit better. And I'm heavily allocated, right? So that's just my thinking. So can we see that continuation here? What is nice, in my opinion, is that we can see money is coming back in slightly right now, right? So you got the head and shoulders here on the daily, the pushback, and money coming in slightly. Now, we did have Jerome Powell speak today. It was pretty much scripted, right? And we had PPI coming in extremely hot. And they're manipulating these prices. They took like coffee off the table and stuff like that. So that's something to be aware of. But tomorrow, my friends, tomorrow is going to be the very, very important day. Okay, so tomorrow we have inflation, guys. Core inflation, regular inflation, and retail sales all at 8:30. So I will definitely be getting my popcorn out and preparing for a beautiful inflation day, okay? Ace of Farts says, I'm short from 62,970. Hopefully that works out for you, my friend. That's awesome. There's no I in the pi P. I don't know. Post has got some next level charts. And shout out to the Otter Gang for always supporting and showing us what's good with the market pi cycles. We got to get Pi either on the live stream, post on the live stream to explain his charts, so that more of us can understand, or at least have him in the Discord, doing maybe a show on what his charts actually mean, okay? Because to me, he's got alpha, okay? Post is a legend. You see this stuff here? We got Mr. played like the strings of a feather or some, I don't know. But Post is in the Discord, and he always posts in the pie charts, man. So we're going to have to get you on, man. We're going to have to get you on. Mr. Pie. We all love some apple pie, okay? So, what do we expect from here? For me, it's about letting the dust really settle, okay? What's your top prediction for BTC, Alex? $212,000, Jeanette. $212,000 on Bitcoin. That is the prediction for me. That is a fib extension. If we get this super bull run that I'm expecting, $212,000 is my level. Okay? Now, going into the 12-hour, what are we waiting for? What are we expecting? For me, right now, I'm expecting a little bit of a sweep, right? Like I've said to you guys before, 59,800, little sweep of the liquidity down here. We go to liquidations on our chart here. We can see that there is a bit of liquidity down here around 59,000. Okay, so we could get a wick down there and then a bounce. But to me, coming down and sweeping these lows down below here is kind of where I'm targeting. Okay, we can see we have liquidity down here, and hopefully we get that pop up and onwards, okay? Really, says Jeanette? Really? Absolutely. Yeah, so if I'm going to go over my big chart, we all got to have a big chart, right? And you go on your weekly, and you go on your beautiful Moon Gaussian channels, and you look for where you're going to peak out on your highs and where your key levels are. This is the one. And I am looking for all the way up to $212,000 as a price prediction. Look at that thing. By 2025, okay? That is the target right here. Boom. We'll see if we get there, okay? We'll see if we get there. And I do have a video on it if you want to look more into it as well. Okay? So, what's going to happen in the next couple days is really going to really I don't know, kind of set the tone, I would say. Q1 2025, if we have an early cycle, yes, Q1 2025 to Q3, November being the latest. Everything is going to be sold by 2025, though. Okay? That's the plan. So, can we sweep and bounce? That's one idea. We have some key areas that we are waiting for, but right now I'm waiting for inflation data. Inflation data comes out. Let's say we get that flash crash and the bounce. That would be great. Let's see if we get really positive and getting above 60. Right now, the key level to get above is definitely around 64,000, okay? These highs here, then 67,000, these highs here, okay? So those are the two targets that we need to get above. Right now, very ugly, trickly, kind of choppy, ugly price action, okay? Very hard to trade something like this, but it's also a time to be patient, okay? You can see the consolidation, the boringness, right? They're really trying to bore out us as investors and as traders. So we need to be patient. We've gotten so much news and all this meme hype, but yet we still haven't seen much of a move on Bitcoin, right? So patience will prevail. One thing is for certain is we see people, big institutions, big whales buying Bitcoin, okay? And if you look across all the accumulation charts, people are buying Bitcoin at these levels, preparing for something which I think is the bull run, okay? Once we start, I don't think there's not much going to stop this train, okay? We have had the halving. You buy the rumor, you sell the news, the halving happens, we go into May, we sell and go away, we come into July and we take off. That is my idea, okay? And we'll see if we get there. But side to side, we will be able to trade these markets nonetheless, okay? So now I'm looking for that swing failure down and that pop off. If we do pop off from here, it would be a very simple continuation on the short-term time frames. Right now, this morning I was looking at this. We were very overextended where I didn't see much of an opportunity to go long. That might have changed right now. So you can see we are finding some support throughout the range here. So let's see if this holds. If this does not hold, we can be looking for a short coming back down here, okay? So we could be looking for this as well. That's an opportunity here. And then we can look to target the longs if we break structure in the shorter term time frames. Right now, I'm just stressing patience because of price action like this, okay? LRC been playing today. Sniper's Nightmare. What's going on, my brother? Hope you're having a wonderful day, bro. Good to see you. And shout out to everyone who got to see those northern lights in the UK. That's incredible. They got me. The market makers got me. I was watching the charts and then it happened. I fell asleep. What's going on, Creighton C? Good to see you, my man. Good to see you. Give us a Pepe top price prediction. That is challenging nonetheless, okay? If I was going to give you a Pepe price prediction, the easiest and simplest way to do that would just to be go over to here, go over to my weekly on Pepe, okay? I'd pull, oh man, I pull a trend-based fib. So I go from here, I go from swing low to swing high, to swing low. Okay. And I go 3618 up here. There's my top price prediction for Pepe. Okay. There it is, right there. Price prediction done. 0.000408 is my price prediction for Pepe. Okay? There you go. See how quick you can do that? Trend-based fib. You guys know? You know. How much percent would that be? From where we are right now, that would be, oh, that's only a 3x. 286%. Oh, man. It could go higher. Probably will go higher. But that would be pretty astronomical. Maybe we... Nah. That's how you pull it. That's how you pull it. That's an easy 3x, okay? Pepe to 99 cents. So we're going to jump into your guys' altcoins. I know it's... You guys kill me. It's been a pretty dull day, but we can still look at the altcoins because the altcoins are moving. So we're going to look at the altcoin list, guys, and definitely get through those for you guys and make sure that we do some TA on them. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. If you're new here, we go live Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do the top-down analysis every single day. We do a morning setup video where we look for those intraday trades, okay? Trying to help you guys be profitable. But also, we have a great community here. Traders helping traders. Everything's free. Crushing it together, man. That's where it's at. What's going on? All set. Reaper, TRD Farmer, Jason Root, Awareness Gaz. That's the one. He says I know how to pull it. Oh, man.
What you know about juice?
We're gonna go into Rune. We can do Pepe too.
Exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade.
Solana.
Get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.
Alex O, crypto. All right. So let's look at Pepe. Pepe holding this trend line, pushing up. Support down here. We are looking for a push-up retest continuation. We're getting that now. So looks like it's continuing. Meme season is back, baby. We look at the 4 hour. What can we see? Overextension, pushing downwards. Okay, so for me right now, Pepe looks clearly overextended. We know that we do have good support on the frog coin here at 0.0001. Is it? We'll just call it 1. Okay, 1 is looking good. We'll see how that works out. But it's looking okay. So we're going to look for that continuation on Pepe, okay? Making all-time highs. Now, when we look at evidence on what happens when we are making all-time highs, you typically push, consolidate, right? So we're looking for that stepping motion, right? So may not get in on it now, but if you do get that stepping motion, right now you're not getting stepping motion. You're getting divergences. So you're making higher highs and lower lows on shorter term time frames. So for me, you want to see this flagging down. You don't want to see it flagging up. Flagging down suggests continuation. Flagging up suggests topping, okay? suggest topping. Higher highs, higher lows. Looking for this to get rejected, come back down, then continue outwards, right? You want to see something like this, right? Where you're getting this consolidation and then that continuation. That to me is bullish. This to me right now is questionable and led by a lot of narrative. Okay, so that's something to definitely be aware of. What's going on, Blackie Chan in the beautiful. I believe Blackie Chan, you started a channel, didn't you? Blackie Chan, BC. What's your channel name, man? BC. I just watched your first video. You did a good job, bro. BC. Share it in the chat, man. Blackie Chan's BC Port Group. BC Port. Blackie Chan's been around forever, man. Supporting this channel, man. BC. It's not even popping up right now. BC Port Group. There it is. Blackie Chan, first video, man. Taking a step into the right direction, man. Punching fear in the face. Congratulations, BC Port Group, man. Keep it up. Consistency. Show up when you don't want to show up. That's all I can suggest, man. Punch fear in the face. Keep pushing. That's what it's all about, man. Shout out to you, man. Keep up the... I'm glad you started a channel, man. It's not easy. Keep working at it, man. Much love to you. Much love to you. Alex, how do you identify order blocks? For me, I do have an order block indicator on Chart Prime. However, order blocks are pretty simple to identify throughout your charts. It's just simply where people are in orders, right? Where would you typically get long? Where would you typically get short? And by identifying that, you can definitely find out where the order blocks are, alongside with fair value gaps, alongside where liquidity resides as well. Okay? As well. Going over to Rune, going through your altcoins. We're going to try and get through all your altcoins first. We got Rune, Sui, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Solana, and Link. We're going to get through those, and then maybe we do some at the end of the video to help you guys do some TA on all your good stuff. So we said Rune, above $6, it's going to move swiftly up through it all the way up to $7. We've been saying that for a while. Rune got here and it got rejected. Okay, so you can see simply coming up, pushing through quite swiftly, getting a quick rejection back down. Okay, it shows how fast price is moving within this box. Okay, so we'll continue to watch this box for a breakout on Rune. We've lost support here and we have headed downwards. So how do we look to trade something that's heading downwards? Well, we identify clear support and resistance. Well, this has been a clear support. So for me right now, looking at Rune, I'm typically waiting for it to come back down to this area and start to put in a reversal pattern, okay? You can see it's come down, it's made lower lows. Right now on the 4-hour, you're getting an anchor wave suggesting that it could be bottoming right now, retesting the highs. However, this to me at $5.18 is a much more feasible level, considering that a lot of things are dropping right now. So $5.20, $5.18. I would look for a little pushback and then the drop and then that breakout eventually on Rune. Okay, so a little bit of patience here with Rune. It's had a nice push out of this bottoming here. Okay, you can see it's clearly made some higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so this would just be another higher low for a continuation to the upside. So this is looking good. Nonetheless, getting a little bit of a rejection from our swift move box where price is going to move fast and hopefully get above that $7 mark. Right now, a little bit of patience. Let's see if Rune can work its way back down to this $5.20 area and then get a bounce onwards and upwards. That's something I'm definitely going to be looking at. D. Johnny, can you possibly very quickly check ICP? You know what? We listen to the community, and I'm sure the people here can be patient, so we will check ICP for you, my friend. Just because You seem like you need me to check it right now, or the world's going to end. So we're going over to ICP and checking it quickly. I'm full of ICP-ness. You got me. Oh, you're making me blush. What do you see? DJ Johnny. Johnny is in his name, so he definitely sees penis. Oh, man. ICP. Looks like it's bottoming, okay? This is looking good. IC penis is bottoming. Looking like it wants to push onwards and upwards. Press buy, not financial advice. So there's something to say about the stiletto pattern, okay? This is a very common pattern in bottoming. So for the breakout and the continuation, right? That's what you want to see, right? This to me right here, this was the AI hype on ICP, and it's nice to see that it's held this key level at support around $12. Okay, $12 key level. Nonetheless, ICP, ICUP, spell ICUP, ICUP. So definitely looking for this to push onwards and upwards. You can see you got this swing failure down here, which is quite aggressive. So for me, this push and continuation would be nice. And then to break out of this downwards trend and get above here, really closing a candle above 1250 is going to be bullish in my opinion. So for ICP right now, looks like money is coming back in, but nonetheless, a little bit of patience would prevail. Going into the 1 hour on ICP-ness, we want to see this. Sorry. Oh, fuck. You got me good, man. This is funny, man. It's not very nice to make fun of the people who work hard for you every day. Oh, man. So continuation and breakout. The trend is down. So for me, right now, it's very pertinent that you do make, this higher high, pushing onwards and upwards. Okay, that's going to be key with ICP-ness for now. Okay, so a little bit of patience will prevail. Let's see that higher high come in, and then look for that retest of the downwards trend line. I wouldn't just jump into it right now. I'd just wait for that confirmation going forward. Okay, going over to Injective, I see you, Annie. Welcome, Annie. I haven't seen you before, but we will look at Injective for you real quick because I do like Injective. Injective is dying, okay? Coming back down, dying out, big rejection, okay? Where do we head next? $19? Right around $19, right around here. So that's your level. On Injective, you can see very aggressive sell-off here. $30 is the area to get back above, right? Injective definitely getting a massive sell-off right now. So for me, you could pull a fib from swing low to swing high. 786 bounce maybe. You can mark out that as well. You want to see it find support, right? You want to see it find support. It's a bit sad for Injective. I do hold Injective. My average buy is around $25, $26. So I'm obviously in the red right now. So for me, with Injective, clear sell-off. Nonetheless, very aggressive downtrend. You want to see that broken. And Crypto Chaser. Who is that, man? I'm just gonna kick your ass, man. I see penis and injection. That's the one. Today is my birthday, Annie. I guess you are the gift that I found your page, man. Happy birthday, Annie. Much, much love. But yeah, coming down, swing low to the lows here. You have $20.50 and then $18.90 for your levels of support. But right now, pretty aggressive sell-off. You want to see bottoming structure and pushing through this giant downtrend on IC or on injective, okay? There is a massive downwards trend as well that you need to break, but we're not there right now. We're clearly getting clearly getting rejected right now, looking for bottoming structure and a push back on injective. Now let's go back over to our regular show and look at SUI. Okay, SUI is a mover. It is something that I'm looking at regularly, and you can see it is coming down to that same level. It looks very identical to injective, okay? Coming back into this area here. When we zoom in, what do we see on SUI? We see there's a level of consolidation within this area here. We pull our fixed range volume profile. We identify the naked point of control. And that would be a level that we could target if we fall back within this area. Okay, so we are holding this level. If we fail to hold this level on SUI that we're at right now, we're coming back into this range. And there is a range down here between 90 cents and 78 cents, okay? That's where we fall, okay? So you've been hit by, you've been touched by a smooth criminal. So you got two levels on SUI where you're looking to hold support right here, right where we're talking about 90 cents, and then I got you, farmer. I got you, bro. So you're looking for this to hold, okay? SUI, not looking good. Let's see. Market cipher, big anchor wave. Okay, so let's see if that holds. Yeah, that's a nice anchor wave, but honey, are you okay? But yeah, it's not looking too good for this, okay? Wipe those saliva, my man. The min. Much love, Reaper. Okay, so SUI not looking too good. Big turnover here, right? Big turnover. This is Jerome Powell's fault. Okay, this is his. It's all blame Jerome Powell. Okay, Arbitrum probably not looking good either. Oh, I don't even know if I want to. Oh, it's the same shit on Arbitrum. Okay. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Arbitrum. ARB in the TRB. Don't look at me. Look at these things getting absolutely crushed. Back down to the lows, man. Back down to the lows. Where's your levels of support and resistance, right? You lose this level, you're coming back down here. And then here. And then down to here, okay? So very simple using your volume profiles, finding key levels of support and resistance. You can see that 92 cents appears to be a key level as well. Okay, so as you fall here and roll over, this ain't looking too good, but this is okay. Okay, this is all right. Alts are taking a beating right now, okay? Certain things are staying up, but everything's taking a beating right now. So what are you looking for? Bottoming structure. Same thing we talked about from before. You can see the rollover here, the consolidation downwards, coming back, dropping to key levels. Okay, you got 3 key levels below you on Arbitrum. 92 cents, 88 cents, and 85 cents. Okay, your first stop is this 92 cents. Let's see if we bounce off of there and then continue onwards and upwards. This could be your best buying opportunity. Okay, so keep an eye on the prize. Nonetheless, Not looking too good on Arbitrum. Let's go over to Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. Going over to ETH. ETH has held up pretty well considering everything is getting crushed. Okay, ETH is in this falling wedge. It has support, but it has lost that support. Coming back down, getting quite a big sell-off, okay? Quite a big sell-off. We'll hide this one for now. And you can see this is our buy zone on ETH, okay? 28.40, okay? 28.40 is our buy zone on ETH. You can see you're getting some sort of continuation here, okay? This is looking okay here, where you got this continuation here on market safe on your 4-hour with lower lows all the way down, right? Aggressive sell-off. So what are we looking for ETH? Well, it's a wedge within a wedge, right? So you got this falling wedge here coming down. We need to see bottoming structure on Ethereum. So bottoming structure, simply exhaustion wick, which is nice, seeing that. What do we want to see from here? We want to see this push up, create a higher low and a higher high, okay? That breakout, and then the retest coming back down to our downwards trend line, and that continuation onwards and upwards, okay? Right now, this is at key buy levels where you are looking for either a swing failure down, bullish divergence in this key buy box, okay? And looking for this to push onwards and upwards, okay? Ethereum looking ugly as well, man. A little bit better than the rest of the alts, but nonetheless, we go over to our heat map on crypto and we take a look. We can simply see that it's the lady in red, okay? Lady in red across the whole cryptoverse right now. Everything's taking a beating. Except for, it seems like Pepe is doing okay, okay? Let's go over to Link as well. So Link was requested. Maximum pain, guys. Maximum pain. Like we said, fear and greed. Fear and greed's not loading right now. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Nothing's loading right now. So going over to Link. Link is consolidating and losing its support right now. Okay? Where does Link find support? You can see the previous support here on Link, where we did get an initial bounce from. We could be revisiting this $11.70 area on Link. To me, these are amazing levels. Okay? These are amazing levels. If you believe that the cycle is real, we're going into a bull run, and they're inducing maximum pain beforehand, okay? This is still not loading. If you need trade setups, if you have any questions, join us in the Discord. Link is in the description below. That's the way to go. RS Miller in the chat. What's going on, man? Hope you're having a wonderful day. So 1175 lows for Link, getting a rejection, rolling over 4-hour. I hate being the bearer of bad news, man. I hate this. You can see here lower lows, no higher highs. So you're getting a deep anchor wave right now. Money is falling. Okay, not looking good, guys. Not looking good. Not looking good. Order block down below here. Liquidity grab. 1250 would be your next level. Yeah, 1250. That would be the level that I'd be looking for a possible bounce. It's down here. Otherwise, you're coming to 1175, okay, on Link. 1175. Is there any other altcoins you guys would like me to look at before I head out? Make like a baby and head out? There's the dad joke of the day. There's the dad joke of the day. Oh, man. We got Neon. Neon looks like shit. Look, we did TA on Neon back in December. So the December TA is looking good. All right. Retested these highs. That's what I would look for. Going back to December. We've gotten nowhere, man. So let's go over here. Yeah, see? We got December levels here, 60 cents, 60.5, but you got this level here, 68.6. That's kind of the line in the sand right now. You're getting the pig nipples, so this is like downwards price action with upwards price action here but money is coming out. So you want to see money start to come in, and then you want to see the continuation of these momentum waves. Neon looking not too shabby for bottoming structure. You can see you got this little bit of support here. So Neon, yeah. No, not looking too good, okay? Not looking too good. Going over to Caspa, I saw Casper in the chat. Where's Caspa here? Is that under movers? Where did that Caspa get away to, man? That should be under movers, shouldn't it? Movers. I rearranged this so it's easier for me to get to. 10-cent Caspa, man. 10-cent Caspa. That's where it's at, man. I thought I was good buying Caspa down here. You never go broke taking profits, eh? So, Caspa coming down. Caspa coming down, retesting 10 cents. Had that nice move up, okay? Looking for the retest continuation, never got it, okay? Now it's come back down to reality. Caspa's doing a lot better than a lot of other things, okay? Retesting this level here, retesting the highs. You got some pretty good support right where we're at, 1132. So this could be your possible where you're looking for that reversal pattern, right? Where you're making lower lows and higher highs, right? Which you're getting here. So money needs to come back into this beautiful asset. Let's see if you can push up, make a higher high, and look for that higher low and that continuation to the upside, right? So that's what I would be looking for a potential trade entry coming back onwards and upwards, probably to this level here. Okay, so you need to see the change in structure where you put in the higher high, the retest and continuation onwards and upwards. You're at key levels of support now. If you lose that support, you're coming back down to 10 cents. It's very simple. Okay, going over to AVAX. I see AVAX. Anything else in the chat you guys want me to go over? Say it now or forever. Hold your peace, because we're almost gonna say peace. AVAX, $32. We're there. We're in the buy level. Okay, we're in the buy level. We did Sol. We did Solana earlier. We're in AVAX buys levels. Same thing here. Coming down into the bottom. You're waiting for structure to change. Okay. We missed Solana. Solana. Did we miss Solana? Solana. We'll do it anyways. Solana, no problem. So Solana, very simple. Flagging out here. Okay. Trying to hold. Nonetheless, not looking too good. Okay. Looking a little bit better than the others. It's had this nice bottoming structure. But the key was, I said this the other day, is it didn't make the higher high here. It didn't get above here. Right. So you couldn't say that this was making healthy structure, because it failed to get above there, and then it went into a downtrend. Okay, so for me, you're looking for the swing failure and the pop off and continuation on Solana. Right now, a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders on your 4 hour. Money is red, but you have positive posturing here on your VWAP. Okay, so if it holds here, you could look for that anchor trigger wave basic markets cipher strategy to the upside. Going over to Jupiter. Jupiter. Bull flag continuation. Okay, looking a little bit stronger as well. Okay, bull flag continuation. What are your key levels on Jupiter? Let's pull some volume across this asset. Take a look here. Oh, big block of chunky price action, Chop City. So this is where Chop City resides. You're falling back into it. So what do you expect? You're going back into Chop City. Where are we looking? Support and resistances. Let's mark that out. Let's mark this out. That's enough for me. Now let's pull a fib, swing low to swing high. Matching up with support and resistance. There you go. There's your confluence. That's where you're looking to buy on Jupiter if it comes down to that level. Bull flag, push to the upside. Okay? Keeping it simple. I'm just going to leave buy things here because when I go back and check them in the future, we can look at them. Okay? We can look at them. Cake. We'll go over to cake, then stacks, cake, and then stacks, and then we're out of here, guys. Then we're out of here. Cake. We got that stiletto shoe, man. That stiletto shoe. Same thing. Same thing. Coming down to the lows. The stiletto, right? We got the stiletto shoe here, right? Nice shoe. Cinderella's left the ball, baby. She's coming down, bottoming out. Double bottom. Hopefully a continuation upwards. Swing. Double bottom swing failure pattern. That's what you'd be looking for. 4 hour, yeah. Anchor wave. You want to see anchor, trigger, continuation to the upside, okay? We did Sol. This is the fourth time for Sol. So Sol, we were looking for the support to be held down here. We have this nice trend line. Oh. And you want to see that hold, okay? Hold the door. But it didn't make that higher high, right? So for me, it's very simply looking for this continuation here. It's okay as long as it holds above 133, but nonetheless, it looks bearish, right? It looks bearish in comparison. Not in comparison. Everything looks bearish right now. So we're waiting for bottoming structure and higher highs to be formed and creating that nice kind of pushback, right? So you can see here, you're coming into a fair value gap, bouncing off of here. You got a little bit of a downtrend right now. You want to see that pushback continuation here on Solana. Getting above this trend line. You got a big sell wall above us at 150.54, and then the buy level here is a 133, okay? That's that key buy level that you would be looking for on Solana. We'll mark it out. We'll see if it plays out, right? Just to go back and retest these things. No worries, brother. No worries, man. Bran was a prick. Yeah, I agree with that. Going over to STX. We're flying through these right now. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to Mrs. Otter. Stack, same thing. We got that beautiful slipper, the slipper pattern, right? We got the beautiful slipper pattern. You can even see the slipper pattern on a larger scale up here, okay? Double bottom, lower low. We want to see bullish continuation. We can see that. Let's see if it bounces from here. If not, we're going lower, okay? If not, we're going lower. Back to Bitcoin, baby. Back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a sell-off. Most recently, 4 hour Chop City, Jerome Powell speaking on it today. What are we looking for tomorrow? Inflation data. Okay, inflation data. We have an aggressive downtrend right now. Can we break out of this downwards trend line? Okay, that would be the first sign of goodness. Then we got to get above 63,700. That would be my next line in the sand. If we fall from here, I'm looking for a bounce at 59,700. Okay? That's where I'm looking for the bounce. Patience will prevail. They want to scare you out. They don't want you holding on. They don't want you making money. They want to scare you out, sell at a loss, and then regret doing so. Here, we walk you through it. We work on our mindset. We work on our health, which means wealth, which means a great community. If you're new here, hang out with us. Join us in the Discord. Check out the links down below. Much love to every single one of you guys. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you guys for your support. I will see you guys tomorrow as per usual, and we will crush it. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your evening. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 Crypto.